QX80 2014 Infiniti, beautiful car. Needs a high pressure fuel pump. Now I'm sure you're probably watching this because you want to know how you fix it, and we're going to get right to it. So you got to remove your intake. You remove that first, and you remove your intake. Those are 10mm bolts. Put them all up there so you don't lose them. They do not stay in your intake, so be careful. And that one on the back side, make sure that you take your time getting it out, because you do not want to drop it back there. It's not going to be a fun little fishing exploration. Once you get that off, before you remove your intake, so you don't have to mess with your coolant lines, go ahead and take out your 4 bolts on your throttle body. Those are 8mm, super simple. Then just lay it down right there. They go right there. Over here, you have a 3/4mm nut. You can crack that loose. I just stuck a rag down in there before I did that. You crack it loose, let it leak until it stops leaking, then take it all the way off. On the other side, you have this bolt, which is a 21mm socket. It's right in there, and that goes on this right here, which goes here. Once you get those off, this right here is a 12. Oh, let's make sure. Yep. 12mm bolt here and right here. Now, once those are removed, you should be able to pull this thing straight up, just like that. And don't forget your electrical plug, which is right over there. You can see it. So take that off, pop this out. This was throwing codes for this, that's why we were replacing it. But I just wanted to make a real quick video on how to get to it. If you are doing this job, I'm assuming you know a bit about these cars, or you just need a little bit of guidance. So there's your guidance. Super simple. You can't get to it without taking off the intake. I mean, you can, but the reason why you gotta take the intake off is because you need to get this guy off, and there's no other way around it. So anyway, go ahead and finish this up. That's pretty much it for that. Make sure you don't lose all of these. So when you're reassembling your intake, make sure these gaskets are back in place before you clamp it down. You don't want any vacuum leaks. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.